love New York. I love New York. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this I can do what I fuck. I'm actually tired. I'm tired, but I'm excited. So it's like making me more energetic here. My name is Lanwa, and Hannah. Thank you for watching my video. So please just spare me, like give me time. It's too early in the morning, my brain is still lagging. So, but let me just show you my nails. One of my brains is lagging. Look at my nails, guys. So cute. Thank you, Dara. As you can tell by the title of the video, I'm going to be solo traveling from Ibadan to Lagos, and I'm excited to vlog for you guys. I'm excited to see the experience and everything. So I just brushed my teeth and I want to go have my bath now because I'm leaving early because my train is at 7:57 a.m. and the train station is quite far from my house. So my mom is going to be accompanying me to the train station, and that's it. She's going to drop me there. Like, what kind of child? So stay there. That's it. Alright, go. I just want to say one thing. Fuck the nips. Solo traveling is quite hard. I know that vlog. I'm shy, but I don't know where I'm going. Oh, I don't know where I'm going, but I'm sure I'm going. I think I'm waiting for my aunt, and my head is aching me a little bit, guys. The second escalator ride was smooth. It wasn't bad, so I'm happy about that. So I'm waiting here that I forgot something, but I don't think I forgot anything. I just have that fear that I forgot something, but I don't forget anything. Mommy is just always instilling that fear in me that I forgot something. I feel like I can now say that I'm a proud YouTuber because now I'm vlogging without feeling like weird or anything, so yeah, I'll see you guys when my auntie comes. I'm kind of hoping that I can see where to buy something to eat because I'm not eating today. But there's nowhere, so I'll just chill shop. Okay, auntie just came. It's time to go home. Yeah, blood up, kiss up. Hi guys, so I'm already around. Oh my god, look at that puppy. This is where I'll end the vlog, and I just want to say thank you guys for watching the vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.